Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about a skin brightening, skin lightening, skin tightening, anti-aging and a dark spots and a pigmentation removal face mask. This face mask is an all-in-one face mask which also removes your dark spots, pigmentation and will also make your skin really bright and glowing. It has all the natural ingredients into it which really works on your skin and makes your skin really spotless, clear, glowing, bright and even toned. And this face mask also helps in anti-aging. So if you have any fine lines, wrinkles or have any marks on your skin which are not going anywhere, then this face mask will definitely remove all of that and will make your skin supremely bright, glowing, radiant, spotless and crystal clear. So now let's see how to prepare this homemade skin brightening, skin lightening, anti-aging and dark spot removal face mask. So to prepare this face mask, we firstly gonna need licorice powder, or it's also known as muleti powder. And here I'm taking 2 tablespoons of licorice powder into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need honey, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey into it. After that, you're gonna need glycerin, and here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of glycerin into it. After adding the glycerin, now we are going to need the potato juice, and to prepare this potato juice, I'm just going to take this 1 potato and now I'm just going to cut it into small pieces. And now I'm just going to transfer all these small pieces into a grinding jar. And now after that, you're gonna need rose water, and here I'm just adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of rose water into it. And now you just have to blend it really nicely to make a smooth paste out of it. And after blending it nicely, your homemade potato paste will look something like this. Now we have to strain this paste, and for that I'm just using a strainer, and now I'm just putting all this potato paste into it and now straining it really well to take out all the potato juice out of it. And after straining it nicely, your homemade potato juice is ready, and it will look something like this. And we'll use this potato juice to make our face mask. And here I'm adding 3 tablespoons of potato juice into it. And after adding the potato juice, just mix everything really well to make a smooth paste. Now after mixing everything really nicely, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is lemon. And here I'm just adding few drops of lemon juice into it. And if you are allergic to lemon, then just skip the lemon. And after adding the lemon juice, just give a slight mix to all these ingredients so that they make into a smooth paste. And after mixing everything really well, your homemade skin brightening, skin lightening, anti-aging and dark spots and pigmentation removal face mask is ready and will look something like this. This is a very good face mask. If you have dark spots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation or have acne scars on your skin, then definitely use this face mask because it has all the natural ingredients into it which works really well in treating your dark spots and pigmentation problem. And this face mask also works great on the aging skin as it helps in removing the fine lines and wrinkles and makes your skin really bright, glowing and even toned. This face mask has licorice into it as well, which is a very good skin lightening and skin brightening ingredient. It brightens up your skin tone, removes the suntan completely from your skin and makes your skin really bright, glowing and supremely radiant. And potato juice helps in skin bleaching, skin lightening, skin brightening and in removing the pigmentation and dark spots completely from your skin. So this face mask is one of the best face masks to treat most of the skin problems. So now let's see how to apply this face mask. And the procedure to apply this face mask is supremely easy. Just apply a thick layer of this face mask all over your face and neck, and you can apply this face mask with the help of a brush, or you can even use your fingertips to apply this face mask. So now after applying this face mask all over your face and neck, just leave it like that for around 15 to 20 minutes or until it dries completely. And once it dried completely, just rinse it off using normal water and pat and moisturize your skin. And for the best results, you have to use this face mask twice or thrice in a week. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.